My name's Tim Bowling. I'm one of the full-time faculty for Metropolitan Community College Utility Line. We have 12 program classes. We also have a paid internship normally that's taken in the summertime. They also have to obtain a CDL to drive the big trucks. Our program can be done in 1 year. It's an accelerated 1 year for an Associates of Applied Science degree.
I work at the utility already and I just want to move up into a lineman position.
It works well with my GI Bill, and I wanted to get out of the office and actually do some work with my hands.
I've got family and friends that work as linemen. They all said that Metro is the best place that they've gotten people from recently, so I figured, it's worth it.
My name is Greg Babst. I'm one of the full-time instructors here. We have two different options. We have a traditional option, full-time with a summer internship, and we have a Saturday option, and students will complete 2 classes per quarter. But the Saturday option is good. It allows students to go back to school part-time.
The weekend program works for me the best, so I can work during the week and come here on Saturdays.
I really enjoy working outdoors and being able to put stuff up. You can drive by it and know you did it, and utility line pays. So,
one of the things that we emphasize in the utility line is safety. Everything's done in a safe manner. We show them the right way. Down the road they may learn shortcuts, but that's where people get hurt. So our emphasis is on safety.
They have you start on a pole almost right away, and then you actually get yourself working in it, and you realize how difficult it is, but also how rewarding it is.
Getting up safely is the #1 priority. So once I got comfortable, it's a lot of fun going up 50 feet.
The equipment you'll run at our program is all modern and applies directly to what you'll learn in the trade. We have anywhere from digger trucks to bucket trucks, backyard machines, excavating equipment like trenchers, backhoes, vacuum excavator. It's some of the newest technology available.
The teachers are great and you jump right into it.
There's a lot of hands-on. The instructors are great. The equipment's awesome, and they help you when you need help.
Just learning how it all works and getting to be hands-on day one is really, it's not like any other college course. It's, you're in the thick of it doing it and learning from the very get-go.